This is the new fidget spinner tungsten ring design. It's got 12 counterbalancing screws that allow it to be balanced perfectly. So no matter which position you hold it, it will spin perfectly balanced. And this will allow it to spin at very high RPMs with no vibration. Each individual fidget spinner also has a serial number in the back and a nice laser etched design in the face. Now we'll spin it with an air compressor just to show the ability to spin to up to 3,000 or more RPMs. Here we go. So nothing special here. It's just sitting on the table. We'll started spinning with the air compressor. Get it started slowly and build up from there. So it is spinning at over 3,000 RPM and it is perfectly stable. You put your finger on it, it doesn't vibrate at all. And I've had it go at least an hour spin time with the air compressor. But it's guaranteed to do better than the world record with a hand spin.